Hello, today I have a pair of jeans and the metal zip is came off from the slider, and in this case I think I try to fix the zip first. If I can't, I will change the new one. Okay, usually we can fix it and we don't have to change the new zip. We check the teeth first, inside and outside. Here it look right, and this side the same, and the slider, the lock still working good. So at the end here I can see, so that's why it can't zip up properly. So in this case I try to set up the slider to see if it works. We have the zigzag here. We have to unpick the zigzag to open this piece. Okay, I make it angle a little bit this side, and then I try to put then I make it straight and I zip this one up. Try to make it. Yeah, it's good now. Yeah. So now my job is lock this one, because we lost 1, 2, 3 teeth from here. So I want to lock this part. I put my finger here to get space for me to sew. So I want to lock this part. Yeah. And I sew together here. To make it easy, you can take this one off and then you do from the bottom. And now I want to lock this part to make it strong. And now I put this piece back onto the original, and then I just sew it up and down a little bit, this part. This is the outside. Yeah. Please support me to subscribe, like and share my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon to get my new video from my job every day. Bye bye, see you later.